guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in to this channel. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Uzalo from the 20th to the 24th of April 2020. On Monday, Nkunzi realized he is not going to have things his own way. Qabanga has the last laugh and Sbu finds the perfect idea for a business. On Tuesday, Thulani finds a task for Godfather. Nomcebo confronts Kapsile and Sbu makes inroad toward realizing his dream. On Wednesday, Njeza crosses a line. Qabanga apologizes and Kapsile makes a big decision, and Fikile is shocked by Sbu's new business. On Thursday, Nosipho overhears something heartbreaking. Qabanga is forced to apologize and Fikile falls victim to Sbu's new business. On Friday, Mangcobo put pressure on Thulani and Kapsile finds a new preoccupation and Sbu's new business draw dodgy characters. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thoughts if you think that Kapsile and Qabanga, Mangcobo and Nkunzi still have future together. Till we meet again, I love you so much guys. Bye.